Check out this bayfront home in Sarasota, Florida. Best boating access Sarasota has to offer. Minutes from the one beach in America, Siesta Key. Close to downtown, shopping, and top-rated schools. This fully remodeled sanctuary offers unsurpassed waterfront splendor. Enjoy peace and privacy on half an acre of manicured grounds. State-of-the-art dock with a 10,000-pound boat lift. Room to add another boat lift, a mariner's paradise. The elevated stance provides stunning views and lower flood insurance. Rapid access to the open ocean with inspiring water views. Step inside to a world of luxury and elegance. An elevator provides an effortless transition between living spaces. 3-car garage for automotive aficionados. High ceilings and breathtaking bay views throughout. Contemporary kitchen with stone countertops and high-end appliances. Sub-zero refrigerator, double oven, and wine cooler. Massive island with waterfall quartzite countertops. The owner's suite offers stunning sunset views year-round. Features one of the most magnificent custom walk-in closets you'll ever see. Resort-style master bathroom for ultimate relaxation. 45-foot heated saltwater pool for outdoor leisure. A private Zen garden offers a peaceful retreat. Additional features include a generator, central vac, and security gate. 1410 Siesta Drive is more than a residence. It's a testament to coastal living, the epitome of Sarasota's luxurious lifestyle. Click the link in the description to see a list of the current Waterview homes for sale, updated every hour.